Just in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat, the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up them style on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever but do nobody else not see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
Alright, now look bad, Yes, Susie, go on with yourself. This look good. Yep. Yeah. Yes, everything look good over yes, sir. I hope them surprised. Pass me phone, me and me calling two girls there.
Why? I was Susie one now. Man, I'm not picking it today, you know. Hello, bestie.
Natasha, when you come over my old house about 4 o'clock this evening, yeah? Natasha, it's a surprise. Just dress up nice and come. You go enjoy. Just come. Don't ask me no other question. Just dress up and come. 4 o'clock here.
Alright, mom. 4 o'clock it is, bestie.
Susie, what's up, girl?
Keisha. Come over my house today. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Sharp.
Susie, you know, so me soon have baby. Me not coming out of my house. Me can't manage to walk with this belly.
That Keisha, you can't, you're boring, so listen, just come over my house. Come. Me I go send one taxi for you, so you don't have no excuse. So just go bathe and go get ready and fix up yourself and wait. Me I go send one taxi and me I go text you taxi number and me I go give me your number too and me will come and pick you up.
Alright, since you go send taxi, me will come.
Susie, how are this? Whose birthday? You know the government send a party enough for you go on.
Bingy, no bother with it today. Please, today is not the day. It's just one little baby shower me I keep for me two best friend them. No bother with it today. Me can't take it. Me tired and me I concentrate on what me I do. So please, Bingy, the only thing you can do is help me. But do not start me up today, please.
What? How are your best friend now?
Bingy, me I keep one baby shower for Natasha and Keisha. Bingy, what is your problem?
Me see you cater for everybody. When Nasa give me some attention, Susie.
Bingy, me say no bother with it today. Me cannot focus on you and the party at the same time. So after the party done tonight, we can talk about all of this, Bingy. But please no, let me just do all of this now, because you know see a curfew time and me have to wrap up this before 8 o'clock. So please, me I beg you. Tonight we talk about anything you want to talk about, Bingy. Me I am available after the baby show if you talk about it.
Susie, me want to chat to you fucking now. Me want to mash up the whole of this. Let me tell you this. Me no want no party keep on me yard for Natasha. And where the next one name? Keisha?
Bingy, why today you choose to start up all of this? You notice say you go out last night and me no cuss you, me no cuss you yet, you know. Me no cuss you and me no say a girl yard you going to your left. Me pitney them and me have to get Natasha to come stay with them, you know. Remember, you know, Bingy? And me no say nothing yet. Me a wait till the party done, Bingy, alright.
Susie, when was the last time you fucked me? Answer that. When last?
Lord Jesus Christ, God, if you're not busy, take a walk down here, Bingy, you know, see the people them, Bingy, the people in my ear where I say, no, Bingy, alright.
Me no business. Tell me what is the purpose in this relationship.
Bingy, not tapping nice, I make we talk in a private. Bingy, why you make the people in my ear, everything we are going, Bingy, tapping nice. Shh, Bingy.
Me not going into no house for chat. People need to hear what one.
Alright, dirty Bingy. Since you want to make announcement, Bingy, Tell the people them when last you make me come. Bingy, when last you make, since you want to make big announcement. People, listen over here, so. Bingy, when last you make Susie come? Yes, Bingy. Tell the people them say you always come before me like we are on a race. Tell them, Bingy. Tell them that your coming is very quick. Tell them say your penis no done grow yet, Bingy. Tell them everything what go on. Yes, bring you want me. What else you want to tell them? What else do you want to tell them that you cannot keep up to me? That's why nobody fuck you too often. Yes, dirty Bingy. Tell the people them oh your penis lazy. And every time you fuck me, you left me frustrated. You want to announce new CVM TVJ? You want to announce something? Tell them I no bother talk about the suck pussy. Oh, you suck pussy like when time cat tongue injury. No bother with it, Bingy. Don't bother with it.
Shh, Susie, make we go in the house. Jesus Christ. Shh.
Yeah, complain about me nah this and me nah pay no attention. How me pay attention to that, Bingy? Every time me try to even blow it up, feast stand up stiff. It take time go down like when Tanya let ear out a balloon. Tell me, what is it that you want me to do, Bingy? Me do everything when me can do. That is a dead case. You need to go see a doctor and leave me alone. Leave me. Nobody start me up. Don't start me up, Bingy. Nobody start me up.
Bumbo clot, man. Hear that? Me I go inside. Continue the way you do, Susie. Keep your party.
Yeah, man, no, you want private conversation inside. You want talk inside now. And that me not tell you all along. So you didn't want to make announcement day. Anyway, yeah, man, go on inside and allow me make me do what me have to do. Go on inside, Bingy, because a long time me I tell you, say, because you know me mouth, you know. And a long time me I tell you, say, make we go inside, go talking, and look how you make me diss you out. Bingy, leave me alone. Let me do my thing in peace. How is that call me from private number? I don't really answer private number in a man. Sure. Hello.
Good evening. Am I speaking to Susie?
Yes, this is Susie. How may I help you, ma'am?
This is Dr. Thomas calling from the UWI hospital.
Yes, so where you calling me from hospital now, ma'am? I don't know anybody in the hospital. How may I help you?
Miss Susie, your husband has been in the hospital for over a week. I've been trying to get you on your phone for days now.
Well, me see one number call me now, but ma'am, I tell you honest true. Me not answer private number. But me not, which husband you talk about in the hospital? Which husband? That me not married. Me not have nobody in the hospital. Me and my husband just there cuss and in the right here so beside me. So me not really know what we are talking about. So me not know if I right number you have or maybe you are calling wrong somebody. But I'm busy now.
Sorry, Mom. Your partner, Mr. Reed, has been unconscious for a number of days. He has regained his consciousness and he has been asking for you.
Doctor, you know, see, seems like the wrong number you have. You have to go check back your docket. Because me don't know nobody named Mr. Reed. Me don't have nobody in the hospital. So I know that's Susie you want. Yeah, man, you need to go check your docket and call the right person. I don't know any Mr. Reed. I'm sorry, I cannot help you.
I am confused, Mama. You don't know an Anthony Reed from McLaren?
I said no, ma'am. Ma'am, please don't call back my phone. I don't know what you're talking about. Plus, me live with my man. Me and my man live together. We're not married, but me live with my man and in there right now. Lady, what is it?
Miss Susie, hold on a minute. Here, Mr. Reed, talk to the lady.
Susie, Peter.
Peter, you that? Peter, where you in the hospital?
Susie, some crowd of people beat me up, man.
Peter, what you mean by people beat you up? Where you in a country for there? Me not give you the $100,000 you say you go home. So how you for there still their town? So people beat you up. Me not understand. Me a bit confused.
As you give me the $100,000, me go in a store to buy you something nice, and some man gang me and take away all of the money I say me a thief, boy.
Oh my God, what? When you say people really rob you, Peter? Oh my God. So Peter, you know, say Tone I know one good place. You know, lurk at town when you have money, Lord have mercy, and people ain't see and know say you come from a country. Lord Jesus, me can't believe say people rob you. So, Peter, you think you'd recognize any of the people them we beat you up?
Me think me can describe one of them, but me not sure. Me head a spin right now.
Okay. Peter, trying to remember them, cause them a boy a town, then we kill you. So all you have to do is just call it a loss and start over. But boy, people really, really wicked. They couldn't just rob you and nobody beat you up. No, sir. People wicked bad nowadays. Then,
Boy, me a go murder them boy there. Wait till me leave the hospital. Straight a country me a go for me cutlass, oh. So say, when you go look for me want to change your clothes and some food, oh God.
Peter, I mean, I really love them place downtown, I mean, I'm kinda busy. You don't have no family number we can call if you can look for you and make them carry clothes and food. Me kinda busy, we can look for you, but me can't come look for you today because I want baby shower me there put together for me two friend them. So me I can look for you still, but not today. So me have to leave, Peter. Me have to go now. So bye. Me will call you back. Why, Crystal, you like it? You look good?
Why? Susie, the decoration look good. You really go all out to Keisha and Natasha for the 1 year.
Yeah, man.
I really love it.
I hope they enjoy it. It's a big surprise me and for me too. Best to them.
Boy, the best thing I'm really surprised. This look good.
All right, my friend. All right.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Mhm.
Tabinez, next one come. Shh.
Hey, baby, you know your baby father. You know your baby father. She know her baby father. She know her baby father. You know your baby father. You know your baby father. Timely.
I'm giving birth to a lie.
Baby.
Me have me husband and my wife. Why everybody asking me? Why do I have to have my son? Wonder if my career now go down. Tell them that I am safe and sanctified. Me run away the way so I find a read my car. I'm giving birth to a lie.
Baby. Some man want fi addy cause you know your baby daddy. You don't take the daddy from me and anybody.
Never.
Rich girl man no fear and asleep with the daddy.
Yes, I am.
You do like shaggy money making all your hobby. Some girl life shabby. Yeah, be a dirty baggy. You a perfect tsunami girl. See
Every
up the daddy.
time.
Get up which girl and take with man from our grind. That mean our baby father is for your
I'm giving birth to a lie.